Good morning students, welcome to my channel. Differentiation integration formulas. Once I repeat that, differentiation of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. Integration of x power n dx x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Differentiation of x1, integration of 1 dx x plus c. Differentiation of kx k into x differentiation 1. Integration of k dx kx plus c. Differentiation of e power x integration of e power x dx e power x plus c. Differentiation of a power x into log a, integration of a power x dx a power x by log a plus c. Differentiation of log x 1 by x, integration of 1 by x dx log modulus of x plus c. Differentiation of sin x cos x, integration of cos x dx sin x plus c. Differentiation of cos x minus sin x, integration of sin x dx minus cos x plus c. Differentiation of tan x secant square x, integration of secant square x dx tan x plus c. Differentiation of cot x minus cosecant square x, integration of cosecant square x dx minus cot x plus c. Differentiation of secant x into tan x, integration of secant x into tan x secant x plus c. Differentiation of cosecant x minus cosecant x into cot x, integration of cosecant x into cot x dx minus cosecant x plus c. Differentiation of sin inverse x 1 by root of 1 minus x square, integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx sin inverse x plus c. Differentiation of cos inverse x minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square, integration of minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx cos inverse x plus c. Differentiation of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square, integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx tan inverse x plus c. Differentiation of cot inverse x minus 1 by 1 plus x square, integration of minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx cot inverse x plus c. Differentiation of secant inverse x, differentiation of secant inverse x 1 by x into root of x square minus 1, integration of 1 by x into root of x square minus 1 dx secant inverse x plus c. Differentiation of cosecant inverse x minus 1 by x into root of x square minus 1, integration of minus 1 by x into square root of x square minus 1 dx cosecant inverse x plus c. Another some trigonometric formulas in integration are proved by using the substitution method. Integration of tan x dx log modulus of secant x plus integration of cot x dx log modulus of sin x plus integration of secant x dx log modulus of secant x plus tan x plus integration of cosecant x dx log modulus of cosecant x minus cot x plus. Another some formulas also proved by using the substitution method only. Integration of ax plus b whole to the power of n dx, that is ax plus b whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 into x coefficient d. Another one important one, integration of f dash of x by f of x dx, that is equal log modulus of f of x plus. That means numerator is differentiation of the denominator. Numerator function differentiation of denominator, then directly you can apply log modulus of the denominator function. By using this formula, integration of 1 by x dx log modulus of x plus, basic formula. Here is numerator 1. This is differentiation of x. That's why log modulus of denominator. Integration of cot x dx, that is cos x by sin x. Here observe that cos x is a differentiation of sin x. That's why this answer log modulus of denominator sin x plus log integration of cot x dx log modulus of sin x. By using this formula, numerator is differentiation of the denominator. This sin x differentiation cos x. Numerator is differentiation of denominator, then directly formula log modulus of f of x plus. Previous class in exercise 7.2 some problems finished. Now continue that. Integration of dx by sin square x plus into cos square x. This is integration of dx. Here is 1, that means this can be written as 1 by sin square x into cos square x dx. Now we can observe that this is not in a basic formula type, as it is not involved in any function of the differentiation. That's why not possible to direct apply direct formula or substitution method. Here we can use some technique. What is the technique is? We know that in identities, in trigonometric identities, relation between sin and cos. What are that identities? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. By using this identity, in place of 1, we can write sin square x plus cos square x by sin square x plus cos square x dx. In place of 1, we can write that theta means here both angles are same, x. Now split out this sin square x by sin square x plus cos square x. Into plus here is cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square. Total dx. Cos sin square 1 sin square cancel 1. Here cos square 1 time, cos square 1 time. What are the here? 1 by cos square. 1 by cos square means secant square. Here 1 by sin square, that is cosecant square dx. We know that integration of secant square x dx plus integration of cosecant square x dx. Integration of secant square x direct formula, basic formula, tan x. Integration of cosecant square x minus cot x. Total plus. This is integration of dx by sin square x into cos square x. Once again, given problem is not in the form of any basic formula type, or else not possible to apply the substitution method, because here not involving any function of the differentiation. That's why you can use in some technique. What is the technique is? Here 1 is there. 1 is in trigonometric identities, 3 identities is there in relation 1. What are the? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, cosecant square theta minus cos square equal to 1, cos square theta equal to 1. Here we have to use the relation between sin and cos. That's why in place of 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square x plus cos square x, split out sin square x by sin square x into cos square x plus cos square x by sin square x into cos square x. Sin square x, sin square x cancel. 1 by cos square x secant square. Cos square cancel. 1 by sin square means cosecant square x. Split out secant square x, integration of cosecant square x. Integration of secant square x directly tan x. Integration of cosecant square x directly minus cot x. This is basic part. Next, integration of 10x power 9 plus 10 power x into log 10 base e whole divided by x power 10 plus 10 power x dx. 10 into x to the power of 9 plus 10 power x plus log 10 base e. We know the formula integration of f dash of x by f of x dx. That is the log modulus of f of x plus c. That means numerator is the differentiation of denominator. Here observe that numerator this one, denominator this. Differentiation of x power n into x to the power of n minus 1. 10 into x to the power of 10 minus 1, 9. 10 power x, differentiation of a power x into log a. 10 power x into log a means 10. That means this is f dash, this is f. That's why directly you can write as log modulus of f of x means x power 10 plus 10 power x plus 6 by applying this formula. So the substitution method. Let assuming x power 10 plus 10 power x equal to t. This is x power n, d by dx of x power n formula, n into x power n minus 1, 10 into x to the power of 10 minus 1 plus 10 power x, d by dx of a power x, that is a power x into log a. 10 power x into log a means 10. Base is not mentioned, means always dx equal dt. That dt by dx dx. This is 10 into x power 9 plus 10 power x into log 10 base into dx equal dt. That means the total numerator is dt. Integration of this totally dt. 1 by this is a 10. Integration of 1 by t dt. Integration of 1 by x dx. Log modulus of x plus c. Apply that. Log modulus of t plus c. Log modulus of t means x to the power of 10 plus 10 power x plus c. This is the answer. One step, within one step also you can write by using this formula. What is this formula indicating? Numerator is differentiation of the denominator. Here this numerator is the differentiation of denominator. X power 10 differentiation 10 into x to the power of n. 10 power x differentiation log 10 power x into log 10. A power x into log a. By applying this formula, directly you can write integration of f dash of x by f of x dx. That is equal log modulus of f of x plus c. You can apply the formula. Next, integration of dx by 1 plus tan x. This is some difficult problem. Listen carefully. Integration of dx by 1 plus tan x. Integration of, here not involving any function of the differentiation. That means any function of the differentiation involving, we can assuming that is t, that differentiation dx. Here not involved. Or else it is not a basic formula type. That's why we can use in some another method. Integration of 1 by 1 plus tan x I will write as sin x by cos x dx as it is. Integration of numerator 1 as it is, denominator cos x, cos x into 1 cos x plus sin x dx as it is. This cos x is numerator, right? Integration of cos x by cos x plus sin x dx. After simplification into this. Now here is also not possible to apply the substitution method because not involving any function of the differentiation. Suppose you are assuming sin x equal to this, sin x differentiation cos x. Okay, what about this cos x? That's why not possible to apply substitution method. Here, in our convenience, I will multiply and divide by with 2. 1 by 2 dividing 2 multiply 2 cos x by cos x plus sin x. In our convenience only, by applying the formula type we can convert. In that purpose I will multiply and divide by with 2. 1 by 2 into these 2 cos x you can write as cos x plus cos x. 2 cos x adding 2 times. Here denominator sin x is there. That's why that one sin x added, same sin x subtract. Then cannot be changed. cos x plus sin x dx. 1 by 2 into integration of split out. Cos x plus sin x one term. Cos x plus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x plus remaining cos x minus sin x. Cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. This total function divided into two parts. Sum of these two terms, cos x plus sin x by cos x plus sin x plus cos x minus sin x. This totally cancel 1. 1 by 2 totally. This is 1 dx, integration of 1 dx plus integration of cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x dx. Here observe that 1 by 2 into integration of 1 dx basic formula, that is x, plus now it is in that form of numerator is a differentiation of the denominator. Cos differentiation is what? Minus sin x. Sin x differentiation is what? Cos x. That's why it is f dash. We know the formula, integration of f dash of x by f of x dx log modulus of f of x plus c. You can apply this formula. Integration of f dash of x by f of x dx is log modulus of f of x plus c. Log, now it is f dash. Numerator is the differentiation of denominator. Cos differentiation minus sin x, sin differentiation cos x. It is in the form of integration of f dash of x by f of x dx. Then directly formula log modulus of f of x. What is that f of x? Cos x plus sin x. Over plus c constant. Once again repeat this problem is that integration of dx by 1 plus tan x. Here it is not in the basic formula type or not possible to apply the substitution method. That's why simplify. Tan sin by cos. After that LCM cos x. Cos x into 1 cos x plus sin x by cos x. This cos x write in numerator. Cos x by cos x plus sin x. Here we can use some technique. Multiply and divide by the 2. Then this is 1 by 2. 2 into cos x. 2 cos x, numerator, denominator as it is. 2 cos x can be written as cos x plus cos x. 2 times. After that 1 sin x added, 1 sin x subtract. Now cos x plus sin x split out into 2 terms. Cos x plus sin x by cos x plus sin x plus cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. These two are cancelled 1. This one. Cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. 1 dx integration x. This one. Numerator is the differentiation of denominator. Because cos differentiation minus sin x, sin differentiation cos x. Then we can write as f dash of x by f of x form. Integration of f dash of x by f of x dx form. Log modulus of f of x. Log modulus of denominator cos x plus sin x. Same type, another problem, integration of 1 by 1 plus cot x dx. Previously that is the tan x, now cot x. Same procedure. First integration of 1 by 1 plus cot can be written as cos x by sin x dx. Cos x by sin x. After that LCM. 1 by, what is the LCM of this sin x? Sin x into 1 sin x plus cos x dx. Integration of this sin x numerator. Sin x by sin x plus cos x dx. Now we can observe that here it is not in the form of any basic formula type or not possible to apply the substitution method. Because sin x differentiation is cos x. Suppose cos x cannot mean some minus sin x. What about this sin x? That's why not possible to the by applying the substitution method. Here also you can use one technique, multiply and divide by with 2. Previous problem also same, now also same. Here divides with 2, say multiply with 2. 2 sin x divided by sin x plus cos x dx. 1 by 2 into 2 sin x can be written as sin x plus sin x. Here new denominator cos is also there, one cos x adding, same cos x substitute. Previously sin x adding, sin x subtracted, previous problem. Now cos x is required, so cos x adding and subtract. This denominator as it is, sin x plus cos x dx. 1 by 2 into integration of, split out into 2 terms. Sin x plus cos x one term divided by sin x plus cos x plus, from these two, sin x minus cos x divided by sin x plus cos x dx. 1 by 2 into integration of, split out this sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x one time cancel. What is the here remaining? Integration of 1 dx plus integration of sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x dx. 1 by 2 into integration of 1 dx x, okay. This one, sin differentiation plus cos x, cos differentiation minus. That means here numerator is the differentiation of denominator, but some sign is different is there. That's why minus take common. Integration of 1 dx, here minus will be take common. Then this minus cos x is plus cos x. This plus sin x is minus sin x. Sin x plus cos x dx. Now 1 by 2 integration of 1 dx x minus. Now sin x differentiation cos x, cos differentiation minus. That means this is f, this is f dash. Numerator is a differentiation of denominator. Then directly you can apply integration of f dash of x by f of x dx is log modulus of f of x plus a. You can apply that formula, log modulus of f of x means sin x plus cos x last plus. This is integration of 1 by 1 plus cot x dx. Once again repeat, listen. Integration of 1 by 1 plus cot x dx. Cot differentiation not involving, that's why not possible to apply the substitution method. Now cot x, cos x by sin x. LCM sin x. Sin x into 1, sin x plus cos x by sin x. This sin x numerator. Sin x by sin x plus cos x. It is also not basic formula type, or else here is also not possible to apply the substitution method. Here multiply and divide by with 2 by using some technique. 2 multiply and divide by. Here dividing 2, multiply 2 sides. 2 sides can be written as sin plus sin x. Denominator cos is there, that's why one cos x adding, another one cos x subtract. Sin x plus cos x first term. Sin x plus cos x by sin x plus cos x. Sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x. After that 1 by 2 as it is, these two are cancelled, 1 dx plus this term sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x. Now here observe that sin x differentiation plus cos x, but here minus is there, that's why minus common. Multiplied with minus or minus common. Minus of this minus become plus, this plus become minus. Cos x minus sin x by sin x plus cos x. Now integration of 1 dx direct formula x. It is f dash of x by f of x. Numerator is the differentiation of denominator. Then direct formula integration of f dash of x by f of x dx. Log modulus of f of x. Log modulus of f of x means sin x plus cos x. Thank you.